I am going to discuss about measuring instrument. Measuring instrument. First instrument is meter rule. Meter rule is the simplest instrument to measure the length in the laboratory. So the simplest instrument to measure length in the laboratory is a meter rule. So its length is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. Its length is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. This is why it is called meter rule. So uncertainty of the meter rule, uncertainty. What is the uncertainty? The instrument by which the minimum value we can measure accurately is called uncertainty. So uncertainty of the meter rule is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, because each centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. Say this one is a meter rule. Say here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is the 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts. So the uncertainty of meter rule is 1 millimeter or 1 centimeter, 0.1 centimeter. How we can measure with a meter scale? So to measure the length of a rod or a stick by a meter scale, its one end is so placed that is considered with 0 mark and other convenient mark of the scale. Say we want to measure the length of this rod. We want to measure the length of this rod. The reading of the mark that coincide with the other end of the rod is taken. The difference between the reading at the two ends of the rod gives the length of the rod. In general, if the reading of the mark that coincide with the left side of the rod is x, so reading x, and that of the mark coincide with the right end is y. Say this reading is y. This reading is y. Then the length of the rod will be y minus x. So in this case, reading of the y mark is 0.8 centimeter minus 0, so 0.8 centimeter is the length of the rod. In the ordinary meter scale, we can measure length up to 1 millimeter, but in vernier scale, in vernier scale, we can measure 0.1 millimeter, minimum 0.1 millimeter. Pierre de Vernier, mathematician Pierre de Vernier, Vernier discovered this scale. That's why this scale is known as Vernier scale. So this scale was invented by mathematician Pierre Vernier. That's why it is called Vernier scale according to his name. Here there is a main scale in centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 centimeter, and smallest division is 1 millimeter. So a small scale, there is a small scale which can slide over the vernier scale. There are 0 1 2 3 4 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. So this one is the vernier scale, and it is the main scale or linear scale. Main scale, it is known as main scale. A small scale is used by the side of the main scale for accurate measurement of fraction of the smallest division of the main scale. By using vernier scale along with meter scale, fraction of the millimeter may be measured accurately. So due to application of vernier scale, this is small scale. A small scale is used by the side of main scale for accurate measurement of fractions of the smallest division of the main scale. By using vernier scale along with meter scale, fractions of millimeter may be measured accurately. Vernier scale can be moved forward and backward, both direction of the main scale. Say a vernier scale has 10 division. Here it is 0 and it is 10. This 10 division is equal to the 9 division of the main scale. So 10 division of vernier scale is equal to 9 smallest division of the main scale. So 9 smallest division of the main scale is 9 millimeter or 0.9 centimeter. As 10 vernier scale division is equal to the 9 smallest division of the main scale, so 9 smallest division of main scale main scale is 9 millimeter or 0.9 centimeter. As 10 division Vernier division, Vernier scale division is equal to 9 smallest division of main scale. So Vernier scale division is slightly smaller than the smallest division of the main scale. So the difference between the smallest, so difference between the smallest main scale division and Vernier scale division is called Vernier constant. This is also known as VC. Vernier constant also known as VC. So Vernier constant also known as VC. So the difference between the smallest main scale division and Vernier scale division is called Vernier constant. So Vernier constant equal to, so Vernier constant VC, Vernier constant VC equal to S divided by N. S is the so smallest division in the main scale. Smallest division in the main scale of the main scale divided by total number of division in the Vernier scale. Total number of division in Vernier scale. So smallest division in the main scale is 1 millimeter. The total number of division in the Vernier scale normally 10. So 0.1 millimeter. So 0.01 centimeter. This one is the Vernier constant. This is the uncertainty or resolution of the Vernier constant. So sometimes 20 Vernier scale division are equal to 19 smallest division, and the smallest main scale division is less than 1 millimeter. Then the Vernier constant becomes different. The Vernier constant depends on the characteristics making main scale and Vernier scale. So this one is a Vernier calipers or slide calipers. Look closer to the slide calipers or Vernier scale. Look, this one is the main scale. Main scale 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, like this. This one is the main scale. There is another smaller scale which can slide left to right left to right, left to right, this left to right. Look, we can slide this one, slide. This one is the outer jaw, and is the inner jaw. This inner jaw is used to measure the inner diameter, and this outer jaw is used to measure the outer diameter. Say if we want to measure the diameter of the pen, then we have to place this object between these two jaws. Then we can measure the diameter more accurately. So look, so this one is the main scale, and it is Vernier scale. Jaw is fixed. So look, this one is the metal jaw, is fixed with metal jaw is fixed with at the starting end of the main scale, and that is at the end mark 0 of the main scale. A jawed small scale is put over the body of the main scale to measure the fraction of the small division of the main scale accurately. It is called Vernier scale. So this one is the Vernier scale. This jawed Vernier scale can be moved forward and backward along with the main scale. This screw in it, it can be fixed at any point. There is a screw. We can fix any position. Now this Vernier scale is fixed at a particular point. If we undo, then we can move left to right. It can be fixed at any point on the body of the main scale with this screw. When the jaw of the Vernier scale touches the jaw of the main scale, then the 0 of the main scale, 0 of the main scale must be coincide. Look, here 0 of the main scale is coincide with the 0 of the Vernier scale. When the jaw of the main scale touches the jaw of the main scale, the length of the rod or length of the rod equal to main scale reading. M is the main scale reading, V is the Vernier scale coincide into Vernier constant. VC is the Vernier constant. VC equal to Vernier constant. Vernier constant. So we can measure. The length or diameter of any object by using this formula. M is the main scale reading. What is main scale reading? How we can read the main scale reading? Look at the Vernier scale. So say there is a reading here. Remember here this 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. So main scale reading is 2.5. Main scale reading is 2.5. 2.5 centimeter. And Vernier scale coincide. Vernier scale coincide is, look, Vernier scale coincide. What is Vernier scale coincide? Look, Vernier scale coincide. Vernier scale coincide is 5. Vernier scale coincide is 5. So V is 5. And VC. What is VC? VC, here smallest division of the main scale is 1 millimeter, divided by, here there are 20 division, 0, 1, 2, 3. So total 20 division. So 0.05 millimeter, 5 millimeter. So in centimeter it is 0.005 centimeter, 0.005 centimeter. centimeter. So length will be, so main scale reading is 2.5 centimeter plus Vernier coincide is 5, so 10, because it is they are double, 0.005 centimeter. So 2.55 centimeter is the correct reading. So in this way we can calculate the length of any object by using Vernier calipers. So remember, L is the length or diameter of an object which is placed between the outer jaw. M is the main scale reading, and V is the Vernier scale coincide, VC is the Vernier constant. Here main scale reading, the reading on the main scale before 0 mark of the Vernier scale is called main scale reading. And Vernier scale coincide, V means which, look, Vernier scale coincide. Which one is the Vernier scale coincide here? Vernier scale coincide. Here it is 5, because 5 mark is completely matched with main scale. This 5 mark in the Vernier scale is completely matched with coincide with main scale. That's why Vernier scale V, that means coincide is, Vernier scale coincide is 10. Actually here 10, because there is double, so here it is 10. And VC, Vernier constant, and the smallest division of the main scale, there is a formula, VC equal to S divided by N. S divided by N. S is the smallest division in the main scale, and N is the number of division in the Vernier scale. In our case, smallest division in the main scale is 1 millimeter, divided by total number of division in the Vernier scale is 20. So 0.005 millimeter is the Vernier constant, but in centimeter 0.005 centimeter. So length of the object which is placed between the outer jaw is 2.55 centimeter.